How to measure your wrist for a bracelet size? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about supplies. You're either gonna need a flexible measuring tape, or if you don't have that, you'll need a string, a cord, something malleable like that, and a ruler. If you're just using a flexible measuring tape, easy. Let's go ahead and start by wrapping it around our wrist. You wanna keep it snug, but you don't want it to be tight. You'll want to read the number where the tape hits. So right now you can see I'm just below 6 inches. Now let's do it with the string and ruler. Let's go ahead and wrap it around. You can either mark it with a pen right there or just grab hold of it to grab that same length of your wrist circumference. And then let's check on the ruler just to see how long it is. Looks like I'm measuring about the same, right at 6 inches. So now, this is just the circumference. You'll want to check that circumference against our bracelet sizing chart. Because I was right at about 6 inches, just a little bit of a hair over, I prefer to go up to that 6.5 marker so the bracelet isn't extremely tight on my wrist. I generally want to be able to fit a finger under the bracelet so it's not squeezing you if you swell up during the day. And that's it. Super easy. That's how to measure your wrist size for a bracelet. I'll go ahead and drop the link to that bracelet sizing chart I mentioned down below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.